Beautiful day. I am at work. Like you see, I'm working inside very beautiful house. This is the house, and this is the shop. There is the three garages here, and there is the shop. And look at this. Like we had the company, like beautiful deers coming close to the house, close to the job site. Look at how pretty they are. There's so many animals here. There's a mother and the two young ones. Beautiful. Nice. Do you imagine to live like that? You have every day beautiful company like this. Also, you can accept the bear. The bear. There is the bear country. Like sometimes the bear can visit you. But most often you have a beautiful deers. There's a many of them. Like I saw a few days ago, was two young ones alone. They probably lost their mother or something, or I don't know, because usually they small still with the mother. Nice, beautiful. Look at like the eyes. See. Nice. Oh, come on, don't be afraid. Don't be shy. Nice. Yeah, I'm jealous. I wish to live like that. And you see, in the house like this, you don't have lots of landscaping, because if you have a big house on the acreage, then you have to cut the grass, it's a lots of work every day. Here is nothing, no maintenance. It's maintenance free because it's a nature. It's a nature. You look like. And also, if you need the Christmas tree, you can just go and cut one. Everything is yours here. I am not sure, but I think we are on the native Indians' native land. Then people who own the beautiful houses, they don't own the land. But I am not sure because like 3 minutes away from here is the Indian reserve. Look, like she's coming closer and closer to me. She's coming closer and closer. Beautiful animals, beautiful, beautiful. Look, they not comfortable around me. But they are not. They are shy. Look, they're shy, but they're okay. So beautiful. Look at this. Now I start saving money and I will buy property like this. To do that I will have to stop travels because the travel is taking so much money. Look like how close I am from them. Nice. Yeah. So cool. Yeah, they enjoy summer because very soon the winter is coming. It's already September 2nd. In this area, in a couple of weeks, you can expect the snow. Nice. Don't be shy. Oh, they got scared. and people who live there have perfect, because nobody see them, nobody see them, like look at, like behind those trees there is the other house very close, but you don't see, it's so many trees, like, and you have a privacy during the summer and winter, because mostly are pine trees, because if you have like the trees with the leaves, then winter time they losing leaves, and the privacy is gone. But here you have a privacy all year round. Nice. Let's see where is the deers. Oh, there's a good grass here. See, they like this grass, they love it. Nice.